Hello, hello. End of another project week, and 4 weeks ago we were introduced with JavaScript, and at the beginning was really hard to get used to it, but right now I have different thoughts, like how person cannot love JavaScript. It's like a incredibly expressive, powerful, limitless, popular language, very easy to use, and there are over 30,000 npm packages available. Like it's impressive, and we had to build this single page web app, and front end is built with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and front end is communicating with back end API built with Ruby on Rails. Even as we know, Ruby on Rails is a very powerful framework, and when they come up together, is something amazing. Like also, I have to tell that this project was also my teacher. It taught me so much it taught me so much and made me believe that if you want, you can do everything. And for this project, I prepared this single page application, and it's Football Masters. And as you can see on the left side, we have countries, and we can click on each country and get information about their leagues. And we can click on each league, and we are able to see teams. And yes, I'm gonna go ahead and click on another league just to show you. All right, even Macedonia. And my source is how it was API soccer, and they have good information about soccer teams. Excuse me, it was API football, not soccer, which probably is European side, and that's how they how they name it. So yes. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and show you this top leagues button, which we have like a selection of few popular leagues, and we can click on each league and render the teams, and we can click on each team and get the information of their players, render the players. Yes, I'm gonna go ahead, click here. As we can see, also we have quick access here of these are my favorite soccer teams, and if like we have like a quick access, if we click on Barcelona, we get players of Barcelona. If we click on PSG, we get players of PSG. And what we can do, we can create a form with favorite players, and we can add these favorite players to the form. We can delete the favorite players from the form before we create the form. And we are sending the information with the player name and player position to our backend. And if we don't want to submit the form, we just click X and just we gotta delete the form. And I'm gonna go ahead and add 5 players. After the 5th player, as we can see, is gonna pop up the submit button. And I'm gonna name this team, okay, like Euro. Okay, Rockets. I'm bad with names. I'm gonna submit this form, and if we click inside the favorite teams, and here we go. This is where my where are rendered all the favorite teams. They are rendered inside the favorite teams. If we click on favorite teams, we can go back. We're just gonna close this tab. If we click on it, we go back to the favorite teams part, and we get information of every favorite team, like everyone can have a favorite team and add their players and with their like a favorite team name, like however they want to name it. And we can also remove these players from the list. Sorry, we can remove these favorite teams from the list. As we can see, we can continue. We can make another list, name it. Oh my God, team. And submit, as we can see. Oh my God, team is here. And yes, the challenging part of this project was for me that like I had to get I made a lot of get requests, so I had to get the country names to be able to render the leagues. After the leagues, you need the league ID and team IDs and the team information. So that's how you can render. That's how you can render the league. Probably zoom right now. I'm gonna refresh the site. And yes, so I had to. Okay, it's definitely zoom for some reason. It's not rendering the information. All right, here we go. I had to refresh the site. And yes, after rendering each team, so we can get information of players. So by using the team IDs, we can render the players. So we had to go and make like a. I had to go and make like a bunch of get requests, and from this part we can add these players to our backend. And yes, this is my project, and thanks for watching. And if you have any questions, feel free to DM me. And